I'm going to show you how to create Facebook account officially. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have different Facebook accounts, and if you want to create a Facebook account, make sure that you keep watching the video because I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, step number 1, you need to click on create account, then click on get started. Now enter your first name and your last name, then click next. You can set the date, then month, then you can set the year. Then click next. Then you can choose the gender. I will choose male. Then click next. Then you will enter your mobile phone. Or you can choose the email that you like to use, but for this case I'll just use my mobile phone. Then click next. Now you can set your password. Then click next. Then you can choose to save your logins or not now. And for my case, I'll just save the logins. And then click I agree. Now once you reach here, you'll just confirm the message through WhatsApp or on your SMS. Now I'll just click send code via SMS. Then I'll click continue. Then we'll wait for confirmation code. Now it has been automatically detected. Then you can add your picture right now, or you can just skip. But for the sake of this video, I'll just skip this part. Then your account will be created. Now if you want to turn on contacts uploading to find friends faster, you can turn on. But for this video, I'll just say not now. Then I'll skip. These are the things that you can do later after you've created your account. You can add your friends, the friends that you'll wish to add, but for now I'll just clip and then skip. Then if you would like to turn on notification, you can turn on notification, but for this video I'll just skip. Then you will be logged in into your new created Facebook account. Guys, that's how you can create Facebook account officially. Thank you guys, and if this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comment section. If it didn't work, also let me know so that we can fix it with you. And please guys, consider to subscribe to my channel to help me grow the channel to the largest tech guide channel on YouTube. I really appreciate that. And then I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you guys.